How to reset the lock screen wallpaper back to the factory default on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra, or the Edge. Okay, so let's go back to your home screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, we go to the top and tap on the left panel here. This is the lock screen panel. Then tap on Wallpapers. Now at the top here are feature wallpapers. So the default one is the interactive. So tap on that. Then tap on Done. And then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Next, press on the side button. This will allow you to go back to your lock screen. And there you go. This is the default wallpaper when you set up your phone from a fresh start. And this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.